Hello everyone, my name is Cindy and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a presidential beanbag toss. The materials you will need are some paper plates, some beans, Ziploc bags, markers, some tape, ribbon, and a pair of scissors. The first thing you'll want to do is grab your paper plate and your marker, and you can decorate your plate however it is that you would like. Once you finish coloring all 3 plates, you're going to want to take your plates and put them to the side. Then you can grab your ribbon and cut it at any desired length. I chose to do it 5 feet, and I will then take my plates and place them evenly throughout the ribbon. Now that you've placed your plates down onto the ribbon, you're going to take the back of your plate and your ribbon and tape them down. Once you've taped the back of your plates with your ribbon, it should look something like this. After you've taped it all down, you're going to want to grab your beans and your Ziploc bags, and you're going to want to begin to fill your Ziploc bag with the beans. Your bean bag should look something like this. If you want to be a little extra secure with your bean bag, you can always add another piece of tape to the top of your Ziploc bag. And now you have completed your presidential beanbag toss.